Remember when we tried to bake cookies and the flour went everywhere?
Oh, yeah. That was so messy but fun.
Look at all the colors in there. It looks like a rainbow.
It does, doesn't it? Here, try this bite.
And then the dragon flew right over the castle, and everyone cheered, even the grumpy knight.
Good morning, sweetie. I packed your favorite sandwich for lunch today.
Yay!
And guess what? We're doing science experiments in class.
I know you'll learn so many new things today.
I know, and I can't wait to show everyone my new lunchbox.
Just be yourself and have fun. Did you pack the healthy sandwich I made you?
Yes, and I can't wait to tell Elena about my weekend.
Have a wonderful day, sweetie. Learn lots.
Mom, I finished my homework really fast today.
That's wonderful, sweetie. I'm so proud of you. Now hurry along, or you...
Guess what happened at school today, Mama? We learned about the big trees.
Oh, really? Sounds exciting, my love.
Good morning, sweetie. I packed your favorite sandwich for lunch.
Thanks, Mom. I can't wait for art class today. We're starting painting.
And then guess what, Mom? They actually chose my idea for the science fair. I get to present it first.
Oh, darling, that...
And then we get to build the biggest fort ever in the backyard. Can we, Mom?
Of course we can, sweetie. That sounds wonderful.
You're doing great, sweetie. Just a few more pages left.
I know, Mom.
Thanks for helping me
Of course.
Should I put the crayons away before I start painting? That's a great idea, honey. A tidy space helps us think clearly.
Look how tidy everything is getting. Great teamwork, sweetie.
I put all the crayons in the box, Mommy. Can we?
We make a great team cleaning up, don't we?
We do. Can I help you with the books now?
Look at this big sunflower, Mommy. It's almost taller than me.
It really is. You're doing such a good job watering them.
Look at this big sunflower, Mommy. It's almost taller than me.
It really is. You're doing such a good job watering them.
We make a great team, don't we?
Yeah,
Look how tidy everything is. I couldn't have done it without my little helper.
I packed your favorite lunch. Are you ready for your big spelling test?
I practiced all week, Mom. And Sarah.
I hope we get to play kickball at recess today.
That sounds like fun, sweetie. You look so ready for the new day. This mango smells wonderful, sweetie.
I want this one, Mommy.
All right, let's put it in the basket.
Wow, this mango smells amazing.
It certainly does, sweetie. Let's get this one.
Hello everyone, welcome to Easy English with Conversation. Today we are going to practice some simple dialogues.
Welcome to Easy English with Conversation. Although the seats are empty today, we have a lot to cover. Let's practice some phrases.
Look, Mom, I packed it all by myself today.
You did wonderful, baby. Let's make sure you're picture perfect.
I am ready.
Have a great day, sweetie.
Are you ready to see the inside?
Yes!
Oh, wow, it's perfect. Let's eat it now.
That one is lovely, sweetie.
It would look perfect with your sandals.
I love it. Let's get this one.
Look at this one, Mommy. Isn't it pretty?
It is. And look, it has a matching hair bow. Mom, look at these purple ones. They smell so good.
Those are lavender. Bees love them because they make sweet nectar.
And that birdhouse, 2 birds are sharing it.
Sparrows, they build... There it goes. Look at them fly.
Do you think they'll reach the bridge?
Maybe. Let's go find out.